So the Ford Bronco has hit the internet. It's taken people by storm. It's all over the headlines. It's all over videos. People seem to really love it and are really exciting. We're all anxiously waiting. But the one thing they dropped the ball on, where is the V8? With Jeep, the main competitor, the Wrangler, getting the V8 very soon as they have marketed all over, the Bronco is going to already be under pressure, in my opinion, starting out with no V8. Yes, they're going to attract buyers. Yes, it's going to be popular. It's got a lot of hype. Yes, it's something different, and people love something different. The Wrangler's pretty much owned whatever segment the Wrangler's in, which is kind of like its own thing. And again, it's lacking one of the most important features that the Jeep will have, which is diversity in drivetrains, including the automatic V8. Now, a Wrangler with a V8 sounds like a blast. So does a Bronco with a V8. That Coyote in there would be insane. It would be a lot of fun. But unfortunately, Ford did not choose to do this. So, will it hurt them? Well, not really sure yet. But there is a secret Bronco. Yes, there is hope for the V8. If you have deep pockets, Pax Power, who calls home in Texas, is offering you a Ford Bronco Coyote V8 swap. First, they have like a stage one. So stage one, you get the 5-liter Coyote swap in your Bronco. And this has a projected 400 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. So I think that's pretty good. It's barely more than like the V6 has, so maybe they should up it a little more. But that would be a solid vehicle for sure. Don't know yet if they can put the manual transmission with it. I would guess not. So I would say it's a guarantee that you'll at least get the 10-speed automatic. And if this Bronco would do it for you, keep in mind that this is a $30,000 upcharge on top of your Bronco. So whether or not you buy a base Bronco or an expensive one, you know, you're spending 30 to 60 grand most likely on your Bronco, and then you can add on another 30 grand to swap in your Coyote V8. And that is naturally aspirated. And if you are super power hungry and want the most insane Bronco on the road, you can opt for their top tier package, which is $45,000. And you get a 2.9 liter supercharger on top of that 5-liter Coyote, making for an absolutely outrageous, crazy powerful 758 horsepower. Absolutely crazy. I do admit I would love to take the doors off and the roof off and take that thing for a spin. I can guarantee that won't have the stick shift. That will be the 10-speed automatic. And I can guarantee that it will be a lot of fun. So 45 grand on top of probably a $45,000 to $60,000 SUV, you're looking at almost $100,000 for a supercharged V8 Bronco. So, summer 2021, you can expect to see these. And let me down below what you think. Do you think Ford should have just stepped up and offered it right from the dealer? Do you think they should have put the V8 in there? I do. And how much would they have charged? Do you think $45,000 for a supercharged V8 is worth it? Personally, I don't think so. But if you're rich, live rich. So tell me what you guys think. Make sure and rev up that like button. Smash it. Click that subscribe button. Ring the bell. And as always, I'll catch you later.